We're out here to the Creator Summit, and we are getting ready to do the sponsored Goat Guns M4. We're going to do the pistol challenge. As you guys can see the target right there. Yeah, we went through and talked to everybody, and the lowest amount of rounds is 10 rounds. So we're going to go by the 10 round count, and then everybody will pick a green circle. We'll do 4 people, and then we'll rotate the targets around, and we'll go to the next. And this is everybody here for the Goat Guns Challenge. So shout out to Goat Guns. Make sure you check them out on Instagram. I do believe it's just Goat Guns, not the Goat Guns, just Goat Guns. So guys, check this out. These are fully assembled weapons. You can get them in a AK-47, M4, 50 cal, all kind of options you guys can get. So check them out. All right, so name, channel, and what state you guys are from.
Ohio Wolverine. He's just my my oldest son. And what did you say where we're from?
And what state you from?
It's in the name, Ohio.
You're in Ohio. Oh, that's right, Ohio Wolverine. Well, I'm just letting everybody know, so whoever's not watching. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll edit that part out. All right, sir.
Flying Rich, and you can find me at flyingrich.com, and I'm really disappointed nobody else color coordinated.
Yeah, look at him. Pants, shirt, hat, guns, rocking the Safety Harbor firearm shirt. Yep. So there we go. All right, sir.
Chris, Armament and Axis from Ohio.
Ohio. And his brother Derek was out here earlier. He just left. He had to head to the house. And then you got to duck a little bit, sir, but go ahead.
All right, Ohio 45 ACP out of Cleveland, Ohio.
All right, sir. And Instagram?
Ohio Flyer.
Ohio Flyer. All right, guys, we're going to start up the competition here, so stand by. All right, guys, we're getting ready for the Goat Gun Pistol Challenge. And who wants to go first? All right, so he'll be up first. Top right, top left, left, bottom left. Bottom left. All right, he's going bottom left.
Last shot.
Is that it? So we'll go in and after the video, guys, and we'll walk down range and show everybody the targets. All right, who's next? Go ahead, sir, right there in front of the box.
You realize he just muzzled everybody over there, don't you?
All right, a little bit to the left, sir.
You realize he muzzled
Right, that's good, right there.
your handgun just now.
Which one are you going? Top left, top right?
Top right.
Top right.
How did you take care of it? I talked to him about it right here. All right. I don't want to see the handgun in his hands anymore today.
Oh, look at that.
That's it. Nice. Wow.
I see some in the bottom right.
Right.
Yeah, I cut some low ones.
Oh, the ones in the bottom right, right?
Yeah.
Top right.
He went bottom left. The second gentleman went top right, and then he's got 3 holes that I circled. So you can either go top left or bottom right.
I'll go bottom right.
Okay. Now just so you know, there is 3 holes there. I already circled them out.
Okay.
Okay.
But you can claim that your round went through the hole. Right?
Yeah. Oh, he's in.
Uh-oh.
He's in.
Are there any rounds in the top left?
No, that's next.
Okay.
I'm going to take that, I guess.
Alrighty, who wants to go next?
I'll go.
All right.
You got a moving target.
Yeah, you're on the top right.
10 shots
Top left, you mean?
Yeah, top left, I'm sorry.
Top wrong.
Yeah. I was trying to get extra points for myself.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. All right. Got some pretty good shooters today. So I'm hoping that I can get like extra. Richard's giving me standing cues. So, all right, here we go. I'm going bottom right. That was it.
Try to sneak an extra one in there.
I think that's what I counted too.
I counted 11.
Was there 11?
Yeah.
We'll subtract 1.
Well, the last one was in the white, so you're
Was
good.
it? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Are we good?
Oh, let me check. Yeah, you're good. Oh, bullseye.
Nice.
Oh, moving target. Moving target. Good job.
Green, does it count?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
would say if it breaks
Anytime
the
you hit
green.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't tell what's that. Here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So you had 7.
Yep.
All right. How many?
Whoa!
Oh, he saved the day. Go ahead.
All right, what do you guys see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. All right, write 6 down.
Oh, are you kidding me?
And that was who? Oh, okay, that was Richards. All right, and then what's on the bottom down there?
Who's the bottom?
Maybe he went through the hole.
I think I got like 3 through the same
I think
hole.
he shot all 6 in the same hole, didn't he?
I don't know.
Oh, 6 in the same hole. There you go. All right.
We know one of them took out the post.
Yeah. All
I don't
right,
know
just
which
count the
that
next one.
was.
Because there's 3. Well, there's 2.
It's hard to tell without.
There's 3 right there.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Yep. All right, what we got on the bottom?
2 in the middle?
I thought it was a lot higher.
That's 1.
Yeah.
All right, what we got on the bottom?
1. That counts. 1,
Yep.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Write 9 down on there.
What was
That's,
that?
is that 10? Is the bottom one in also?
Yeah, that's
I
tons.
That's
counted
10.
that one, yeah.
No, I
Yeah.
counted that one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so that was 9. And you had 1. That's still good, though, for what you was doing. All right, and then you had 7.
6.
6? All right. So what I'll do is, since I won, and I'm not like official can win, so what I'll do is, let me borrow your pen. I'm going to write a secret number down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 5.
Going down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Pick a number.
5.
3.
4.
1.
Here's 2. Just so you guys see, I wrote down number 3.
Hey.
You win. What did I do with it? All right.
Somebody else already took it and ran off with it.
Yeah. Hey, can you stand right here and make sure you get us in picture so I can give it to him? So just make sure we're in camera. All right, sir, you are the winner. We had to go to a tally. I ended up winning with 9 shots. So what I did is I wrote a number down on a piece of paper and everybody pick a number, and whoever picked that number won. And sir, you picked number 3.
All right.
There you go, straight from Goat Guns. So thanks Goat Guns for sponsoring the Creator Summit out here. This is just a spring fling. The main event is September 13th, 14th, 15th. The 14th and 15th is the actual days to come out, shoot, hang, and you can camp. Camping's free, so come on out. Once again, sir.
Great. Thank you
you
very much.
Yes, sir. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate everybody here on the Creator Summit out here to Thunder Valley. We'll catch you guys later. See ya.